Hey, hey, hey! What are today's messages and what do we need to hear and see today? Let's pick a card and see what we get. One of the secrets to staying young is to always do things you don't know how to do, to keep learning. Ruth. Six, six, six. Reflect. Healing, empathy, self-discovery, compassion, awareness, inner peace. Unexpected changes are on the horizon, challenging your thoughts and feelings. This is a prime opportunity to reassess your identity. Embrace a mindset shift. Opt for optimism, confidence, and trust. Listening to your intuition and understanding your emotions are key to your growth and evolution. Look in the mirror and say, "You are beautiful." That means the most coming from you. Aww. Intuition. Listen to your intuition. It never lies. And if you look back, you'll see that's true. Strength. Your inner strength is boundless. Unleash it. Happiness. Happiness comes from a fulfilled heart and harmonious relationships. Alrighty. Let's check out these quotes today. See what we get. Boredom, anger, sadness, or fear are not yours, not personal. They are conditions of the human mind. They come and go. Nothing that comes and goes is you. I was toxic to some. I was a blessing to others. Others I healed. Others I hurt. I'm willing to admit that I wasn't always right. And every day I am striving to be better. I hope you are too. Are you engaging in healthy conversations? Do they ever leave you questioning your worth? Are they kind, supportive during difficult situations? Do they uplift you, inspire you? Have a quiet retreat. Are you listening? Less talk, more listening is needed now. Admit your true feelings to yourself. Listen to what messages any aches or pains are trying to tell you. The body always talks to those who listen. The not sorry method, step 1. Decide what you don't give a F about. Step 2. Don't give a F about those things. Time plus energy plus money equals your F budget. And the last one today. Say it with me. I am not afraid to be seen. I do not have to hide myself. I am worthy of occupying space. I do not have to dim my light. I am authentically me, and that is my strength. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.